In this lecture, I'm going to be talking about how to open and verify a Binance account. Now, to open a Binance account, you have to follow the steps below. Now, it's either you download the Binance app or you go to www.binance.com and click register. Now, input your email address and your desired password and verify your email address by entering the code sent to your email address. That is the simple way to open a Binance account. I'll go to my browser now and show you guys the process. So this is my browser, and then I'm on www.binance.com. As you can see here, this is binance.com. So if you come here, you see you have login and register. Since you are creating a new account, you tap on register. As you can see, create a Binance account, register with your email or mobile number. So you can either register with your email address or your mobile number, anyone you want to use out of the two. So let's say you want to use your email address. All you have to do is enter your email address here and then the password. And if you have a referral ID you want to put in, you can just put in the referral ID here. And then if you want to subscribe to email updates from Binance, then you tap this and then you click on create account. And once you click on create account, you have to verify the email address. They will send a code to the email address and then you input the code here. And just like that, you have created a Binance account. Now the next thing is, how do you verify this account? So for you to do identity verification on Binance, you have to go to the user center on the app or on the website, and then you go to identification. So let me go to the to my account and show you guys how it is. So this is the user center here. You can see this icon here, this icon. So that's the user center. Then you click on identification. This is identification here. So you can see here showing me that I've done my personal information verification, government issued ID verification, facial recognition. You show your current features. You can see the current features here. You can see some of them. These are some of the current features. Yeah, so let me go back to the PowerPoint. So you can see once you go to identification, then you can click get verified. Then it will show you 3 levels of identity verification. You can see there are 3 levels of identity verification on Binance. You have basic, intermediate, and advanced. Now for the basic, you will need to enter your name, date of birth, and address. That is the only thing you need to enter for your basic. Now for the intermediate level, you will need to upload a government issued ID, either your ID card, national ID card, driver's license, or your international passport. And you have to do your face verification. Now, when you want to use your ID, don't use a photocopy, use the original ID, and you can't use your voter's card. Now, if you want to do it for the advanced level, you will need to upload your proof of address. So that's the simple way you can verify your account. Don't forget, you have basic, intermediate, advanced, and these are the things you need for the verification. For your basic, you just need to enter your name, date of birth, and address. That one is very simple to do. For intermediate, you will need to upload a government issued ID, any of these ID cards, your national ID card, driver license, international passport, and face verification. And then don't use a photocopy, use the original ID, and you can't use your voter's card. Now for the advanced level, you need to upload your proof of address. So this is how you can do your identity verification on Binance.